This episode is just a follow on from the previous episode of doing all the sheet metal work on it. I will apologise now, it's going to be very loud, very grindy and annoying. Due to copyright laws on YouTube, I can't put any music over it. So, yeah, just turn your volume down, play your own music and try and enjoy it.
I have never, ever known a quarter panel so fucking annoying to get off. So basically, when all these old boys are saying, oh, they don't build them like they used to, there's a fucking reason behind it. Now, I've put quarter panels on things before, do it for a job, and this is probably one of the fucking worst ones I've ever done. So, tucks under the roof skin, and then obviously comes down here, tucks behind the rear panel, and because it was done in a day where pretty much everything was done by hand, there's no consistency with the spot welds where they are. So like whereas you might get one every inch or inch and a half or 2 inch, they are literally all over the fucking place, man. Don't know if you can see that on camera. Oh, the joys. This is our previous section welded in before here. So where I thought there was spot welds, it's actually been pull welded. That's okay, because that's how I'm doing mine, because I haven't got a spot welder. Just means I've got another half an hour of, well, cutting and grinding really. Front half of this right hand sill was fucking made up a bit because obviously it's had some damage here before. That was pretty obvious from when there was a patch welded in the old bit. Don't know if you see that on camera, but it's had like a whole patch welded in like the front half. So it's a good job that I started from the centre and then worked my way back and then front. Because if I would have started from the front and it's already out a little bit, it would have been fucking miles out at the back. So just come to weld it up and notice it's like 3mm out. Like the inner sill is 3mm higher. I mean, it's not the end of the world, I can live with that, to be honest with you. Because you have like these little locator holes. So I know my Sill is bang on the marks. I've got like 1.5 mil each side of that one, and the back one's bang on, but this one's slightly out where it's had some previous accident. This is paint stripper. I've got to get off all this green paint off the new panels, because when the shell goes back to be e-coated, we re-dip it, and if it goes back in with all this paint on, I have to have the whole process redone again. So just do this now, half an hour, get as much off as possible so there's minimal contaminants. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Don't make them like they used to. Thanks. Fuck for that. My next step is to brace these bits here on the front. I've already done the left side. Down here. Then we'll have to put a little bit of a bend in there. Just made a little spreader plate, 2mm spreader plate. That's go on the end of there. Just spread the load a little bit. Tap him on now. There we have one, just needs stitching around there, but I'll do that when it's on its side. And the same here as well. So this is a bit annoying. You can't get these anywhere. You can't get pattern parts or anything, and these are what hold the lower arms, the rear lower arm to the shell. Now one side was non-existent, and this side was pretty rotten. They go here. You have one on this side, one on the other side. You can't get it, which is a bit annoying. So what I've got to do is make my own die, weld that on there, and then that'll press into there, and I'll get something a little bit like that. That was a trial one. I know it's a bit rough, but I'll make a better one, and then I should get something like that. That's my die press thing. Hopefully it'll fucking hell, that's on. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck. That's round 2, trial 2. Worked alright, but it's ripped. It's ripped the steel there. Didn't even see that on camera. That's your bush, sits in there, lovely, like the sizing is pretty bang on, to be fair. So what I'm going to do is, on this little die, I'm going to smooth this outer edge off here, so it's not like 90 degrees, like that edge is pretty sharp. So I'm just going to put like a bit of a chamfer on it, so when it's pressing down, it's not going to cut into it. So this is trying 2. It's pretty nice, to be fair. Obviously I'll cut it neat all around there, and then I can give it a bit of love around, and then hopefully I should get a couple of them. Third time lucky. I know the outer edge isn't the neatest, but I'll make a few more and neaten them up a bit more. Well, that's pretty much perfect, really. Well, happy. Obviously that one's fucked. I kind of got a little bit lost on the video when I was doing like all the recording stuff. To be honest with you, up until this point, all it's been is basically drilling, cutting, grinding, welding, more cutting, grinding, drilling, welding. And this is the stage it's at now. It's ready to go back to the dippers to be dipped and e-coated. Slight bit of surface rust is coming through. Bit of a shame really, but that will all get taken care of. All the shell's been fully seam welded, new quarters, new outsills, patched up here and there where it needed to be. 2 new door skins coming from America, from Z-Car Depot. That's about it really. Fuck the roof skin. Basically, I tried weld it up, I tried patch it up, and it just went from bad to worse because the steel's that thin. Putting that much heat in it, even trying to cool it down as quick as I could, it didn't really work. It just completely fucking warped it. So bit of a shame really, and I can't get a new one or even a copy part, so it looks like I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and get a fiberglass or carbon fibre one. If I'm gonna do it, I'll probably get carbon fibre just because it looks cool. That's it. Tried weld it up, but it's just fucked. Same with the door skins, they're fucked. So yeah, that's about it really. There's not much left to say about it. Pretty excited. Kind of getting there. I'll probably get the tank dipped as well. I'm going to strip this now. Check everything over because it's Saturday today. I want a day off, it's Sunday. It's bank holiday Monday where I'll get it loaded up on the dolly and ready to take Tuesday morning. All being well, about 4 to 6 weeks. And then I can start painting it. I'll seal it up, paint it, build it up. Happy times. Original tank, and it's got some fuel in from whenever it had last fuel in, and it fucking stinks, man. It's like really nasty stuff. Right then, that's the majority of all the shit work done. In the next episode, I get it e-coated, get COVID, fuck myself up, paint it the wrong colour, and filler and flop the dash. Then hopefully we can start putting it all together and actually get some decent progress on it. So yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, maybe, I don't know, wherever. Cheers.